Here is my project. It is the idea of the reminder app. I kind of thought about it and modeled it after Apple iOS's reminder app. And the idea of like functionality. Um, and so I mean it's very simple. It just is a way to input a place to have reminders, things to do, along with setting a date. A more in-depth version would be to also have a time on it. Um, but for right now, I just have dates. Anyways, so I will show how it does localhost 4200 based off the Angular front end and also localhost 3000 based off the back end Node.js server. Along with I don't know if I do have my MongoDB on Compass up with a couple examples in here of data and what I've been able to accomplish with my connections. So anyways, the first thing I think I will do is I will show if I do npm or npm run my project build. I do have also my security for my MongoDB running through a env file to protect it. And as you can see, it says it is running along with MongoDB is connected. And I can refresh this and it works. This app works very simple. I mean, I have two main slides, one that would show your reminders along with being able to add it, or just a straight add. I think it should start with just a straight add to then view, something I do need to correct. But anyway, so I do have that. And then I did set up a REST API, or an API REST to show some of these local functions of being able to get, post, put, and delete. Some of them are not working great. I will go here to this local host and I will show. For a get for the local, as you see, I can send and I get a status of OK along with this empty array. But every time I go to do a post, I do get an error. So something I do need to work on, but obviously it does not completely crash it as I can send it again. And that works. Um, to the actual coding side of it, obviously I have my node set up through that along with my backend for models and routes, along with my server.js. Server.js, obviously, it then has my Express in there to handle some of the routing along with my MongoDB setup. To then my routes, as you saw with my post, to be able to get my get, my post, my put, and my delete, um, to send that back into the server. Um, so there is obviously Node, MongoDB, and Express there. As a kind of an example, I will go test. This is a test, and then I should be able to click add, and there it is. Um, One problem with the mark to done is it doesn't completely get rid of it, and so I do need to work on that as well. Um, but that is my backend through Node, and then I can do ng serve as well, and I can pull up this to the front, same thing. I can load it, and it obviously is working. My front end style, same thing with the buttons, obviously, because Node is running it that way as well. This doesn't work the same, but it is started and connected. Um, the only other thing I was going to show is here my MongoDB. That test one did not get brought up over here. I guess I can refresh the data and see. Oh, I have this test. I wonder if this is it. It looks like it's starting to go through. I might have the data connection going the wrong way for my post. Um, but that is my MEANstack project with my Node, MongoDB, Express, and Angular. Thank you.